Are you looking for an easy way to create stunning videos from text? Meet Pictory AI, an innovative platform designed to turn scripts into engaging videos. Whether you're a beginner, educator, or marketer, this tool has something to offer everyone. In this video, we will explore what Pictory AI is, its key features, the real benefits, and some limitations to consider. Pictory is an AI-driven video creation platform. It helps users generate content quickly, automate editing, and create faceless videos. If you've struggled with video editing in the past, this tool is here to save you time. Let's dive into its main features. First, we have the script-to-video function. You simply input your text, and Pictory converts it into a video. There's also the URL-to-video feature, allowing you to turn online content into visual storytelling. Thanks to AI, you get automatic captions and summarizations of your text, improving accessibility. Pictory has a diverse library of stock videos, images, and music, making it easy to enhance your projects. You can even add AI-generated voiceovers for a polished professional touch. Plus, if you have existing videos, Pictory allows you to edit them using transcripts. With templates and branding options, personalizing your videos is an effortless process. So, what's the real value? Pictory saves time by streamlining video creation, allowing even non-creators to produce professional quality videos. It's perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms, especially for those wanting to quickly generate content without showing their face. However, there are some limitations. While Pictory is great for straightforward projects, it may not fulfill needs for complex cinematic editing. The quality of AI voices can vary, sometimes sounding less natural. Customization options might feel limited, and many advanced features require a premium plan. Who should consider using Pictory? It's an excellent choice for beginners who want quick AI editing solutions. It's also beneficial for faceless content creators, coaches, educators, small businesses, and social media marketers looking to transform blog articles into engaging videos. But if you're a professional editor needing full control over your projects, or if you require advanced motion graphics, this tool might not be the best fit for you. In summary, Pictory shines for users who prioritize speed and automation in video creation. If you identify with this, give Pictory a try to see how it can elevate your content workflow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on tools that can enhance your creative journey. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to create appealing videos efficiently is crucial for content creators. Pictory AI rises to meet this demand with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of technical skill. Its AI-driven features not only enhance creativity, but also allow individuals to produce high-quality videos quickly, transforming their ideas into visual stories. With its varied functionality, from script to video conversion to automatic captions, Pictory empowers users to engage with their audience in new, dynamic ways. What sets Pictory apart is not just its ease of use, but also the impressive array of stock videos and images available to enrich your projects. This expansive library allows creators to find the perfect visuals to align with their message, enhancing storytelling without unnecessary delays. Additionally, for those who prefer a personal touch, the platform's AI-generated voiceovers offer a great way to add a professional quality that resonates with viewers. Whether creating a how-to video or a product showcase, these resources ensure every project stands out. A standout aspect of Pictory is its script-to-video function, where users simply input their text and witness the transformation into a visually captivating video. This feature alleviates the frustration that often accompanies video production, enabling creators to focus on their message rather than the technical details. Moreover, the URL-to-video capability expands possibilities, allowing online articles and blogs to be seamlessly converted into compelling visual narratives. This innovative approach not only saves precious time, but also broadens horizons for content creators eager to share their insights with a wider audience. Integration of automatic captions further enhances accessibility, enabling all viewers to connect with the content. With Pictory, the process of video creation becomes a smooth, efficient journey. As we consider the benefits of using Pictory, it's essential to highlight its streamlined workflow. Users can begin by uploading their text script or a URL, allowing the AI to analyze the content and suggest relevant visuals from its extensive library. This intelligent selection process ensures that each video generated not only looks professional, but aligns closely with the intended messaging. Furthermore, creators can easily apply branding elements to personalize their videos, making them stand out on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. The flexibility Pictory offers means that whether you're an educator sharing knowledge or a marketer promoting a product, you can find a video style that fits your specific goals. As we delve deeper into Pictory's capabilities, it's clear that the platform isn't just about video creation. It's about empowering users to tell their stories with confidence. The automation of tasks like editing and captioning not only saves time, but also encourages creativity, allowing individuals to focus more on crafting engaging narratives. This is especially valuable for those who may feel overwhelmed by technical demands, as Pictory simplifies the process while still delivering impressive results. Additionally, the potential for incorporating user-generated content adds another layer of engagement, making videos more relatable and impactful for viewers. Each project becomes not just a product, but a unique expression shaped by the creator's vision. Pictory's diverse library of stock videos and images ensures that every creator has the resources they need. Whether you're illustrating a recipe, showcasing a product, or telling a story, you can find the perfect visual support. Coupled with built-in music options, every video can evoke the right emotions and enhance audience engagement effectively. In conclusion, Pictory AI stands out as a powerful ally for anyone looking to streamline their video creation process while maintaining a professional edge. By embracing automation and user-friendly features, it enables all creators to elevate their content with ease, making it an essential tool in the modern digital landscape. Real use case. Pictory turns blogs, scripts, or even URLs into ready-to-publish videos in minutes, perfect for YouTube, shorts, and business content. No editing skills needed. Let me show you how fast it really works. Instant editing. One click and Pictory auto-selects visuals, syncs voiceovers, adds captions, and builds your timeline automatically. You edit using simple text, like magic. But that's not even the best part. AI voiceovers. Pictory's AI voices are clean, natural, and ready for faceless channels. Choose tone, speed, and style. No microphone, no setup, no retakes. Ready for a more professional look? Watch this. Branding and templates. With branded templates, logos, fonts, and colors, Pictory makes every video look consistent and premium, perfect for creators and businesses. Let's quickly check the pricing part. Is it worth it? For daily creators, the time saved is huge. Pictory easily pays for itself. Even occasional users can get great value from the free trial. So here's the final takeaway. If you want more tools that boost your productivity and help you create smarter, not harder, subscribe to Nardzedzia Przyszłości. The next video will show you even more AI tools that can transform your workflow.